In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google account on a laptop step by step so you can get set up quickly and start using Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and all of Google's services. This is a simple process, but I'll walk you through every part so you don't get stuck along the way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open a web browser on your laptop. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to accounts.google.com/signup. This is the official Google sign up page where you can create a new account. After the page loads, you'll see the sign up form. Start by entering your first name and last name in the required fields. Make sure the spelling is correct because this will be connected to your Google account profile. Next, Google will ask for some basic information like your date of birth and gender. Fill these in carefully since they help verify your account details and determine age-related settings. After that, you'll need to choose the Gmail address you want. This is your new email address, so pick something that is easy to remember and professional if you plan to use it for work, school, or personal use. If the address you want is already taken, Google may suggest alternatives, or you can try a different variation with numbers or extra words. Once you've chosen your Gmail address, create a strong password. A good password should be easy for you to remember, but hard for other people to guess. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible, and make sure it's something secure. After typing your password, click Next to continue. At this point, Google may ask you to verify your identity using your phone. In this tutorial, you may see a QR code on your laptop screen. If that happens, take your phone and open the camera app. Scan the QR code, then tap the link that appears on your phone. Google will guide you through a few more steps on your mobile device to complete verification. This is an important security step, and it helps confirm that you're the real person creating the account. Once you finish those steps on your phone, switch back to your laptop to continue the setup. From there, Google may ask you to review a few final account details or accept its terms. Follow the on-screen instructions until the setup is complete. And that's it. You've now created a Google account on your laptop. You can use this account to sign into Gmail, access Google Docs, store files in Google Drive, and connect with all the other Google services. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.